This is the nicest used travel trailer we have on the lot. This is a 2023 Rockwood 2614BS. She might be pre-owned, but everything about this honker is practically brand new. Got a nice size outdoor mini fridge right here. Tons of room in here to store your bush lattes. Pretty neat little 2-burner gas stove out here. Down below here, this is a little outdoor table. You can mount that up over here. We do have a couple outdoor speakers underneath our noise awning, some frameless tinted windows, and then we have a second entrance right here. 0 gravity steps on this bad boy. Wowie zowie. Around the back, you have another outdoor shower hookup, backup camera up there which will connect to your smartphone. We got a ladder to your fully walkable roof and our spare tire back here. You also got a 2-inch accessory hitch down there if you want to hook up some other goodies. Let's get inside this honker. Oh yeah, it's good stuff. This is just an overall really nice camper. Starting over in the kitchen here, we got a nice 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator. More room for your bush lattes. For sure the best camper for storing beverages. 3-burner gas stove, nice little oven underneath, microwave up top. We got the undermount sink with the detachable faucet and then a nice power bank. We got a premium entertainment area. We got cup holders in these recliners, and these are actually switches for lumbar support. Very nice. I, for one, really appreciate some good lumbar support in my recliner. And then directly across from me here, we got a nice electric fireplace, soundbar, and a 43-inch Insignia TV. Booth dinette. We got some nice storage drawers underneath. Y'all already know this thing is going to be converted into sleeping for 2. Boom, now you got a nice double-sized bed here. Across from that, you got your bedroom. Porcelain foot flush down here. Decent sized counter space here in our vanity. Storage behind it. This is also a really spacious walk-in shower with a skylight. Water mizo in here to give you water saving abilities. And then finally into our bedroom. We got a nice queen bed in here, upgraded reading lights. Whoa. As always, this bed is going to lift up for storage. We are on hydraulic lifts, so she'll stay up on her own. Nice metal framing, very sturdy. Really good drawers here. Tons of space in those drawers. Nice front windshield up here. Fantastic views out that bad boy. And then we got a huge wardrobe here. Great closet space. Great drawers underneath it. If you got any questions on this super duper sweet awesome travel trailer, give me a call. The phone number is in the bio.